hop is really forefront in what you experience when you drink a beer. I'm working on the Wild Hops Research Project. And our goal is to find hops varieties that grow wild here in Atlantic Canada and to develop the best ones into viable crops for the craft brewing industry here. We put out a call to the general public, help us find wild hops. And we were inundated with tips and hints and people going out of their way to drive an hour to meet us, to take us to their great-grandfather's farm. These hops here in the Maritimes, they're kind of a product of the environment here. We have a cool, wet growing season, very short growing season, and the plants are very vigorous and hardy. The whole craft brewing industry and beer enthusiasts in general, it's really driven by innovation and novelty-seeking behaviors. And people always want to try the next new flavor and the next new thing. We haven't hit full commercialization yet. We're still in the kind of infancy stages, and there's going to be a period of experimentation going on. So I think a lot of the brewing community is going to start out by, they call them smash beers, which stands for single malts and single hop. It's not a really deep, rich profile of flavors. It really picks up on one or two key points so that that hop character will really stand out. Some of the flavors we've encountered, like the lemony or the melony type flavors, they might do really well with sour beers or gozes. I also think that maybe some of the sharpness of them could fit well with lagers and pilsners. It doesn't have that long, bitter aftertaste, but it's kind of right up front on your palate really fast and then kind of crisp and clean afterwards. So it's going to be an exciting time for the brewing industry. So if we can provide hops that do better in our environment and have unique qualities that brewers and beer connoisseurs will like, they can kind of help our producers carve out a little niche spot for them in the marketplace.